Good day, everybody. Trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. I know it's a very cold winter's day, and soos ek gesê het, we're in the 6th month of the year. You trusting God for a miracle. You trusting God for a breakthrough. Sy vertrou die Here vir baie dinge vir jou en jou familie. Vandag het ek hier gekom om net 'n kort gedagte te deel met iemand is dat, en ek het met die woord gesit maandag. Let us stand out. Laat ons uitstaan vir die Here, laat ons uitstaan. Because we get many people, hulle kom gekamp teen mense, dan wil hulle soos hy mense wees. They want to follow the crew, they want to follow the crowd, they want to follow it. But when are you standing out? When are you standing out as an individual? You don't need to dress like them, you don't need to walk like them, you don't need to talk to look like them, you don't need to be like them, but stand out. Laat ons kom by die punt in ons lewe dat ons uitstaan vir die Here, man. Laat ons uitstaan vir hom. Laat ons uitstaan. Because at the end of the day, you're the only one standing for what you need to stand. Sy is die enigste een wat sal staan. At the end of the day, you're the only one that stands. You're the only one. Despite people around you, stand out. Though it's difficult, stand out. Do not be like them. Daar's baie mense by jou werk sy loop met hulle. Maar as jy dan kom, maar staan sy alleen vir hy ding. Be a difference. Stand out for the Lord. Stand out. Do not fit in because of your situation, of your current situation you're facing, but stand out. You can make a difference by standing out. It's difficult, but stand out. Baie mense wat sê, "Nee, bro, follow for us. This your way." No, the only way is Jesus Christ. Stand out. It's difficult, but stand uit vir die Here, man. Is nie maklik nie, but is 'n moeite werd. Is die moeite werd om uit te staan. It's worth it to stand out, and it's worth it to be different. It's worth it. You don't need to walk like them, soos ek gesê het. You need to be like. You don't need to be like them. You don't need to dress like them. You don't need to talk like them. We come in contact with a lot of people with a lot of behaviors, lot of attitudes, and it rubs off on us. But ek sien vir iemand wat sê, "Staan uit, man. You can be much more better than that person that you followed." At the end of the day, sometimes I've realized many people try to be like people because they have an identity crisis. They suffer a lot of things. Now they fit in because ek is kwaai in die groep in, man. But the moment you go through something, you need to stand alone. I've realized I'm somebody. I don't walk with people. I walk alone. And it's better to be alone, and it's better to stand out. They will come to you to join your group. And I'm someone, I don't like joining groups. I got nothing against groups. I don't like joining groups. I like to be alone. And I like to make a difference. You need to make a difference where you stand. You need to make a difference where you are. You can make an impact by one. You can reach somebody by one. Stand uit as die beste, man. There's a scripture, as I'm talking, there's a scripture that comes to me in Romans. Do not be conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind. So, let us stand out. Let us not conform like this world. Let us not walk like them. Let us not talk like them. Let us not do things like them. When I've noticed when there's a new trend starting, everybody's wearing the same stuff. When there's a new Jordan coming out, everybody wears that brand. When there's a new Fabiani sweater, everybody wanna wear it. When are we changing our mindset to set a trend? Let us be a trend setter, and let us not follow the trend. Let us be different. Let us be who God has called us to be. Let us be like that in this time and in this day. I'm here to encourage somebody. Let us stand out. That's the most greater thing that we can ever do. Let us stand out and be a different type of young person, a different type of young man. Somebody watching this, let us be different in this time. It's difficult, but let us be different and let us make an impact of everybody's life. So together, dropping in to say that, let us stand out. Stand uit want die Here wil jou gebruik. Be blessed. Want die Here wil jou gebruik as 'n individual vir sy koninkryk. And be blessed.